Hello, I am Akhil Mishra. Journey to success is not a fairy tale. It's a tough path which challenges us at times. However, teachers make us focused and wise enough to never let us doubt on ourselves. Vikrant sir is one of such exceptional teacher which let us achieve wonders with his guidance. His immense subject knowledge makes him expert in what he does. He makes us understand everything with his crystal clear concepts. Subject expert, a friend, motivator, he is all we need to excel in our student life. I feel obliged to be his student. His way of teaching made us fall in love with physics. Whatever he does, he makes sure to give 100%. Exams and challenges are part of life regardless of result. Everyone moves to next phase of life, but some of the teachers gets in our mind forever due to the positive impact they leave on us. I am very lucky to be taught by him. Thank you very much, Vikrant sir. Regards. Akhil Mishra. NIT Bhopal. ECE.